Hey guys, I just received my new toy, my new audio equipment, okay? Not a new toy, okay? I love listening to music, that's why I would like to try out different equipment. So, what do I have here? Yes, my new headphone. Okay, I just purchased a new headphone. My Moondrop Ft1, fantastic, I love it, but I really wanted something better. So that's why after some review, many recommend this headphone. It's a wired headphone, so it's a Fiio. Okay, let me open up the bubble bag. Right. So thanks to I bought it from this supplier, which is the Red 8 Studio in Malaysia. Okay, I ordered yesterday and I got it today. It's pretty fast. Okay, right. Fiio Ft1. I got the black edition because I'm a bit how to say, I do not know how to take care of things that is other than black color, so I prefer something that is black, right? To me, white color always get dirty easily. It's all the way from China. Fiio is from a China brand. There's a lot of praise about this earphone. The sound quality is kind of like slightly V. It's kind of like a Moondrop Ft1. It's a bit V, but it's a bit warm, right? I love warm sounding audio equipment, just like my Carriage Model 5. Okay, so I'm about to unbox my new earphone. So let me open up the plastic bag here. Okay, all right. Okay, so the plastic wrap is already been removed. I think it's a sliding right design. Okay, I think I will slide out. Let me try to slide out. Maybe push out is better. Yeah. Okay, push out. Okay, this is the internal box. Okay, I think I should open from here. Is it? Okay. Right. Whoa, nice. So this is the carry case. It's huge. Looks sturdy. The material look nice. The brand is, I mean the logo is here, Fiio. Right, there's a hook here, right, for me to carry it using my hand. Right. Is there anything else in the box that I should be aware of? No, I think it's being glued. There's an instruction manual or a start guide. A quick start guide. I never really like to read start guides, but just quickly glance through it. You know, you have the headphone, you have the connectors, the wires. Okay, going to the left, right. I really like, because learning from my past earphone, my Audio Technica ATH RM540X, the wire get broken at the hinge area, so I really wanted to buy something more sturdy, something more long lasting. So I think this is a good idea. ATH, I owned that Audio Technica for about maybe 5 years. I've changed the pad a couple of times, I think 2 times, and also I have actually not replaced, but I buy like a support pad for the top area that is touching on my head, right? Because that area touching on my head, it cracks. Okay, I think there's nothing much in the instruction manual. Let us go into the box itself, where the headphone is located. Right, unzip the box, and we have the headphone all wrapped in plastic, because this is new, right? So all wrapped in plastic. There's I think 2 types of cable size. Oh, it's nice, like I think they call it braided, right? Or it's like with a cloth kind of cable, fabric type of cable. There's a fabric wrapping around the cable. It looks very premium. Okay, the connectors are gold plated. Okay, all looks very feels very premium. I think that's one good thing about this headphone. Okay, everything is gold plated. This is gel silica. Right, let me take a look at another cable. I don't know, it looks identical. I do not know which one is longer, which one is shorter. I have to explore, right? But both are almost the same. Okay. These are the bigger one, I think. Longer one? I think this is the balance cable. I think it's a balance cable. I need to try it out. Connecting to my i5 Zen Deck 3. I think this is a balance cable. Sorry for my lack of knowledge. I'm not very into the headphone kind of thing. This is still very new to me. Okay, the headphone itself feel way heavier than my Audio Technica headphone because this is way bigger. The size is big. The cushions are nice. Okay, the pads are nice and really feel very solid. See, the metal feels solid. Okay, all right, good stuff. I will test it out. I'll let you guys know how do I feel about the headphone in terms of the sound quality and everything. Yeah, please wait for my detailed review about the headphone. And this is made of wood, real wood. Okay. I really like wood stuff, like a veneer kind of finish. I'm not sure whether it's a veneer laminated or this is a whole solid wood. Okay, anyway, looks very sturdy, a bit heavy. Those who doesn't like heavy headphones maybe need to avoid this. Compared to like all those, even that day I tried out the Sony wireless SM4, SM5, SM6. I think this is more heavier. This is heavier, right? But to me, it's a very good quality headphone. So yeah, wait for my second part where I will review the sound quality in more detail and compare it with my Q2 or my KZ ZS10 Pro. Alright, bye.